Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. This is a really quick video that I wanted to show you because we get a lot of questions and requests of customers who are looking to get a bi-directional scan tool for their Porsche, and we think this is probably the best tool out there, which is aimed at sort of DIYers and home level use. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically show you a few of the functions and the bi-directional operations that this tool can do. It's not going to be an in-depth complex video, it's just really going to show you the basics. We're in a 2013 Porsche 991 Carrera S, and you can pick this tool up just by clicking the link in the description below this video, or just go onto that website there, okay? So it's the iCarSoft POR version 3.0. I'm going to show you a few tests for you, show you a few scenarios whereby you would be using the bi-directional controls, okay? So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to select our vehicle, which is a Porsche, and then we'll go to vehicle select. Incidentally, these are the vehicles that it will work on, so just do a quick screenshot of this if you need to, or just double check that your vehicle is listed. But ours is a 911 991, and we're going to go to control unit. So there are there's potentially 44 different control units that you could connect to, find fault codes for, and do actuation or bi-directional tests on. So I'm just going to scroll through these now for you, and then I'm going to give you just a couple of examples of how you could use the bi-directional controls. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do is I'm going to go to instrument cluster, and then we're going to go, you can obviously read the codes, view data, things like that, but we can go to actuation test, okay? And this is going to allow us to test certain things within the vehicle, within the cluster. So let's say, for example, we can go to self-test, right? And if I press F1 to start, got a large beep coming on there. Self-test is running. All of the warning lights have gone up. There should be a little counter behind this. There we go. It's doing a little test there. And that is testing to say that everything on the cluster is working fine, okay? And that'll give you an indication as to whether there's a fault on the cluster or anything like that if you think something isn't quite working as it should. You can also do things like pointer tests. So they used to call this a needle sweep back in the day, but if we click start, just watch the needles, they'll all move. I don't know if you can see the ones on the side there as well, but they're all moving as well. And it's just doing a sweeping motion just to show that they all can operate to where they need to go, okay? So that's one example. You can come out of this and we can go into another system. Let's say we're going to passenger's door. And this is good because it gives you an idea as to what is at fault. So let's say you're doing the passenger mirror, the window, and it's not actually going down when you press the button, okay? Well, what you can do is you could go down to, say, actuation test, and then you could go lower side window, all right? And then we'll go start, continue. And although you couldn't see that, but you can hear that the window is going down. So the motor works fine, which would give you an idea. If the motor works fine, then it's probably the switch which is at fault. So it sort of really allows you to home in on where the particular fault is. And same again, we can do the raising of the side window. So we just go, listen out for it. There we go. So that's the window going up there. And there are lots of different tests you can do, not just on those things, but you can do the mirrors, lots of different switches and buttons within the vehicle, the convertible tops, things like that you can ask it to do, the convertible roof, lots of different steering wheel electronics if you've got a multifunction steering wheel, and other systems and scenarios, as I say. But that is just really a nutshell of how the bi-directional scan tools work. and why it would be beneficial for you. As I say, there's lots of different systems. We just touched the surface with a couple of demonstrations there, but it will work on every section of the vehicle. It'll do tests on your radio system, your PCM system, every system within the vehicle, the ABS sensors, things like that. Okay, but I will pop the link to this kit in the description below this video if you were interested. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.